Hello guys, welcome back to Packages Compare. Today we compare two smartphones, which is Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max versus Apple iPhone 15. So let's see the full video. Display type, display size, resolution, screen design, pixel density, aspect ratio, body ratio, refresh rate, screen quality, peak brightness, storage, smartphone RAM, smartphone ROM, expandable card, RAM type, storage type, storage capacity, OTG support, water resistant, market status, design, weight, dimensions, colors, build, connectivity, GPS, audio jack, NFC, network, Bluetooth type, 3.5 mm jack, SIM size, Wi-Fi, audio jack, SIM slots, has eSIM, Wi-Fi features, Volt, sensors, fingerprint sensor, scanner position, accelerometer, scanner type, face unlock, rear camera, rear flash, video recording, camera setup, front camera, camera setup, video recording, front aperture, front flash, performance, chipset, GPU, CPU, clock speed, architecture, process technology, battery, battery image, battery type, battery charger type, USB type C, fast charging, charging time, battery movable, price, price INR. Thanks for watching this video. If you have compared any smartphone, please comment in the video and also like, share and subscribe Gadgets Compare.